हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम कर रहे हैं होम साइंस टेस्ट सीरीज़ का पार्ट थर्ड। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका। हम लोग 41 तक कर चुके हैं, 42 से स्टार्ट करते हैं, जो कि आज का पहला सवाल है इस वीडियो का। विच सेक्स हैज़ ट्वाइस द रेट ऑफ हिप फ्रैक्चर्स एज द ऑपोजिट सेक्स? द राइट आंसर इज़ फीमेल। Oncology is the diagnosis and treatment of which disease? Oncology is the diagnosis and treatment of which disease? Cancer. The tongue has more than 8,000 taste buds. HIV/AIDS is not transmitted by sharing toilets or wasting facilities. HIV/AIDS is not transmitted by sharing toilets or washing facilities. What is lactic acid defined as? A base product of aerobic energy production. What is lactic acid defined as? A waste product of aerobic energy production. The importance of drinking water immediately after a reflexology treatment is to. The importance of drinking water immediately after a reflexology treatment is to flush out the toxins. Our culture believes that we should all be independent of others, and the earlier the better. This leads to. All of the above is the right answer. A belief in self-shooting. A belief that a very young baby is trying to manipulate and control you. A belief in letting the baby cry it out. All the above. 49th. Why is a positive birthing experience so important? A bad birth experience can cause a mother to feel anger, resentment, or depression for years. Next question. What is the name given to the process of development and change over the lifespan? Ontogeny. Which of the following is not one of the phases of attachment development? Pre-attachment, perceptual selecting, attachment in the making, goal-corrected partnership. Right option is goal-corrected partnership. A common symptom of high blood pressure is. Headache, dizziness, rapid heartbeat, all of the above. All of the above is the right answer. 53. How much should you exercise every day? How much should you exercise every day? 30 minutes. You have to do exercise every day. 30 minutes is sufficient. Okay. Cobalamin. Cobalamin is more commonly known as vitamin B12. Cobalamin is more commonly known as vitamin B12. What is oleuropein? What is oleuropein? Glycoside found in green olive leaves. What percentage of Americans over the age of 35 has gum disease? What percentage of Americans over the age of 35 has gum disease? More than 75%. Drug addiction is a disease. How does one get a chronic disease? How does one get a chronic disease? All of the above. From smoking, from eating too much. You catch it from your parents. All of the above is the right answer. What is not a symptom of anorexia nervosa? Cold intolerance, increased susceptibility infection, skeletal muscle atrophy, high blood pressure. Anorexia nervosa. Angina occurs when not enough oxygen is reaching your heart muscle. Not enough oxygen is reaching your heart muscle. A myocardial infarction is coronary heart failure. Why is there so much talk about antioxidants? Why is there so much talk about antioxidants? They may reduce the risk of aging-related diseases. How do we check for breathing? How do we check for breathing? Look, listen, feel. Next question. HIV/AIDS is all of the above. First option. One of the greatest challenges facing the world in the 21st century, an emergency of an unprecedented nature, a global disaster and threat to the world population, all of the above. Next, what is the correct treatment for a nosebleed? What is the correct treatment for a nosebleed? Answer is sit patient down, tilt head forward, squeeze soft part of nostrils. Which statement is false? Vertigo can occur in children as young as 18 months. What is a blood clot? This question is repeated. Blood that has thickened into a soft clump. The mobile parts of the spinal column are vertebrae. An adult heavy worker may requires calories per day. 3,800 calories per day. An adult heavy worker male requires 3,800 calories per day. What happens in dextrinization? Denaturation. Cotton cloths are made from cotton tree. Teething in babies start at the age of 6 months. 6 months is the right option or answer. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.